To get a YouTube Music app on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, first of all we'll need to swipe up on the bottom of our screen like this and then scroll all the way down until you find the Google Play Store. Now all you have to do is click on the search button right here and find YouTube Music. Install it. It will take some time. Okay, so the YouTube Music is installed. We can open it. It will load your account and then you should be able to listen to your library. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.